Now sound effects.
Oh my god,
here I come!
Wait, I'm gonna jump on you guys. Oh no!
Don't put it like that, I won't land on you.
Are you okay?
I'm fine, sorry. Next! Come here! No, I'm straight. Don't hit me. Don't. I'll mess up. Who's brave enough to go? Casey. That's lame. Get out of here. Seriously, injure us. Yeah. No kid. I'm not gonna injure you. Wimp. Chicken. Don't you finish it. Yeah, that's what I want to. So you were like. I'm annoying. It's a sheet. Sheet.
Like shit, but with an accent.
Sheet. Oh, sheet. Sheet. Oh, sheet, you dumb nugget. I sheeted. I got to go take a sheet. I'll be back. I got to go sheet.
Oh my god, I was not.
Got to go fix my sheet. Just kidding.
Okay, it's fun. No, do this thing. It's funner. Wait,
What is this?
It's funner. No, you look like a donkey. Yeah, you look like a horse.
Let me try.
You get really high and then it gets tiring. Don't you feel like you get really high?
Yeah.
Like you're in a handstand? Freak.
It's so recording. Oh, I was really in the way.
There's that.
Oh, yours looks really good.
Like,
It does.
yeah, yours looks so professional.
But this one's cute right there. This one, it's a flower. But it looks like a mole. Like Claire's face.
It's a heart.
It's a flower.
It's a heart.
Mine's a heart.
Oh. Duh. Twitch, do something funny.
I can't be funny on command.
Just Twitch.
Be funny.
Not funny.
Somebody was like holding a gun to your neck and was like, make me laugh.
It was just a lonely little day for the little girl named Melissa. She was playing with her toys on her bed.
Sit down. Make me laugh or you die. You made me smile, but no laughter came out.
Okay. End.
Wait, I have to be serious. I don't know how to seriously be funny. I'm trying to be serious because I can't laugh, otherwise you get to live. Okay.
What joke are you telling?
It's a surprise.
Okay.
Very funny.
Okay, go. Okay, take 3.
Creepy hands.
Go. Oh, okay, don't go.
Or hands are creepy. Get that shot. Those are creepy hands.
Shut up. You're supposed to act when I say action. Action. Okay, take 500.
I can't actually.
Come to the tampon.
No, I'm gonna be still. And the tampon at the same time.
Ew.
Silly tampon.
I can't hold the camera straight because I'm laughing because she's using the tampon as a torpedo.
Yeah, or you can use the ball.
And I want some Skittles. Yeah, ball's a good toy. No. That's beyond gay.
It's all in here.
We know. That's why it's funny.
I can see you.
Okay.
I can't see. I thought you were to do.
Ready, set, go. Do I need to take over someone's role? You look happy that someone's coming out of the closet. She was like... Okay, we're going on like 9 minutes here. Ready, set, go. Don't pet it. It's a ball, not a baby. Take 500. What?
Gunman has to poop.
What's going on Facebook? Okay, ready, set, go.
Or something else. Okay, I'm ready.
Ready, set, go.
Make me laugh.
You-
Or you die. Splash bomb! That wasn't funny enough. Knock knock. Who's there? Splash bomb! Splash bomb poop. I'm victorious. Goodbye, my fellow friends and family. Goodbye. Look at my elbows. Oh, see it? Look at my elbows.
Nerds.
Yeah, weird.
Do I get to play a role?
No,
You
yeah.
didn't want to.
Just kidding. But I'm gonna play Jessup. Hold on, I'll be back. Alright guys, are you ready?
There are nose plugs in there.
Just a diaphragm on her head.
We just broke her heart.
You guys didn't laugh, but I thought it'd be funny.
I laughed in my head.
Did you put the stuff back in the bag?
Nope. But they're not so loud.
I like
Put it in the bag now.
Or what? Ah!
That was a good one. I like that. That was a very good imitation.
We need spoons. Want the spoon?
We could watch Clueless.
We just
watched
did.
that
You
last
fell asleep.
Oh, I didn't.
Oops, I accidentally. Oh, never mind. Here you go.
Did you not record?
I was recording.
Wasn't even funny. You just dropped it.
No, that doesn't require the.
so fake.
I'm down. Just.
I was gonna try and do sounds.
What were you trying to do?
You're great.
You punk! I'm gonna put you up.
I'll kill you.
I will kill you.
What are you doing? Are you?
She poked me in the booty. Ew. I don't want this.
Hi, I'm Richie. Who am I?
Yeah, who are you?
Ashley. I'm Richie.
She spelled.
You said that.
What?
I said you said that.
I said that. Wait, no.
You're like, I'm Richie. Then she's like, I'm Richie.
I'm Richie. I'm Richie. I'm Richie. Richie. Get off of me. You can be Bev and be like, I will kill you if you ever come near me again.
I kill him.
I wish I got that on tape. I had itches. No, remember when she was like, or
And then
at
it
the
fades
end
out.
when she was like,
Looks like a bell.
Shows are like
That's like 8 worms.
1, 2, 3, 4.
it's more like
Wait, I forgot.
it's just like 4.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There's 8. Octopuses have 8.
No, but I
I
mean
can't
like
get one.
technically it's like 1 worm, 2 worm,
1,
3 worm,
2,
4 worm.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Yeah, but
7. In the head, does that count?
oh my gosh, octopuses. Look at me. These aren't like gummy worms. A long one is, so it's like 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Unless they're baby worms. I'm going to get my battery.